If your laptop is slow, just take it to the computer village straight. You know your engineer now, he go help you do am, he go fix am for you sharp sharp, but na money e go chop. Or you can choose to do these simple things that I'm about to tell you. A sluggish laptop can be a frustration, especially when you need to get things done quickly. Luckily, you don't always need those expensive upgrades or professional help to give your laptop a speed boost. In just 5 minutes, you can make a noticeable improvement. I'll tell you how. Let's go. One, close unnecessary background programs. Now for the Pharisee user, that is the Windows users. Pardon me. Now simply go to your keyboard and press Ctrl Shift Escape. Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the task manager. Go to Processes tab and end every task that is consuming too much memory. And for the Mac users like us, simply go to Activity Monitor. Just press Command plus space and type in Activity Monitor in the search box. Then identify resource heavy apps and close them. Shikena. Number 2, disable startup programs. Many applications automatically launches when you turn on your laptop, and this might cause slower boot time. Your laptop might be running several background applications, consuming RAM and slowing down your laptop performance. Now here is how to fix it. Now for the Windows users, press the Ctrl key plus Shift key plus Escape key and go to the Startup tab and disable any program you don't want on startup. And for the Mac users, go to System Setting, General, then Login Item, then remove unwanted startup apps. 3. Clear temporary files. Over time, your laptop accumulates temporary files that takes up valuable space and slow down operations. To fix this, for the Windows users, press the Window button plus R button on your keyboard, then type TEMP into the search box and hit enter. Then delete all the files in the folder. And for Mac users, open Finder on your PC or press the Command plus Shift plus G button. Then type /library/check/ and hit the enter button. Then delete the unnecessary files. Number 4, optimize your web browser. If your browser is sluggish, it can affect the overall performance of your PC. And for a quick fix, clear check and cookies. That is, go to your browsing setting and find the clear browsing data option. And also disable all unnecessary extensions. That is, remove extensions that consume system resources. Close unused tabs. Keeping too many tabs open consumes RAM. Step number 5, restart your laptop. This simple step can clear RAM, stop unnecessary background processes, and refresh your system performance. For the quick fix, just save your work and restart your laptop. That's all. Now, if your laptop is still slow, you can then consider a deeper cleaning, like uninstalling unused program and upgrading your RAM. Speeding up your laptop doesn't always require technical expertise. With this quick fix, you can improve your system performance in just 5 minutes. And for long-term benefits, consider regular maintenance like updating software, scanning for malware, and managing storage. Now try these tips and enjoy a faster laptop. See you next time.